This Friday sees the 400th anniversary of the death of Miguel de Cervantes, who is considered the greatest Spanish author of all times. As part of the commemoration, 2 lion statues outside Spain's Parliament in Madrid are fitted with glasses to celebrate the writer's famous novel, Don Quixote. The anniversary is being remembered all over Spain, from the town of Alcala de Henares, where Cervantes was born, to Valladolid, where he wrote and published the first part of Don Quixote in 1605. Named Daoiz and Velarde, they have put on the reading glasses and are currently working on the pages of the masterpiece during the whole commemoration time. Don Quixote is widely considered the first modern novel. The story follows the adventure of Don Quixote, an older man obsessed with chivalry who goes on a quest to become a knight, accompanied by his squire, Sancho Panze.